Hello all and welcome to Thrive Solutions. In today's session, we'll be seeing about the relationships. How can you create a relationship? How can you modify a relationship? How can view the relationship? And how can you create a relationship manually as well as you have an option how the relationships are automatically detected. So these are the topics where we are going to see in today's session. So let's see today how to create and manage relationships in Power BI. As as much we are very much familiar that we can build relationships between two tables using Power BI, where in the model view. So once you go with the model view option where you can build this relationship manually or with the auto detection mode. So let's see how it works. So how to create and manage relationship in Power BI. So when you input two or more tables into Power BI, the relationship between those tables plays a role in displaying accurate calculation values and information in Power BI reports. Power BI is a tool based on the same column names where it auto detect feature attempts to find and create relationship, but sometimes where you need to create relationship manually. Additionally, you can create, edit, or delete relationships by using Manage Relationship under the Modeling tab. So let's create a relationship with Auto Detect option. So the Power BI Auto Detect feature attempts to find and create relationships for you. So if you notice the column names as product in the table, both the table which are the table name as price and order, where you can see the product is common in between both the tables. Therefore, the auto detect feature will automatically create a relationship between these two tables based on the common column product. Now, once you right click on the highlighted relationship line, you have an option to delete it and click and manage relationship. So once you click on this manage relationship, where you can see it's been deleted. Now click on the auto detect button. So after you clicking on the auto detect button, you can see the different pattern where the relationship is built, and once you close this box, you can see the second screen. The relationships between both the two tables are built. Now, how do you edit this relationship? So you have many options where you can go to edit this relationship. There are three different ways. One is in the home page of the ribbon, where you have the modeling tab at the header menu. Once you click on that, you can see the manage relationships. Once you click on that dialog box, you have an option where you can select edit option. The other option is, as we have seen in the left side with the different views, where you have the model view. Once you click on the model view or double click on the relationship line, you get an option as edit relationship dialog box appears. And the other option, same in the model view. Once you click on that, at the home tab, you can find an option as manage relationship. In the dialog box, you can then have an option as select edit. So this is the way where you can edit a relationship. Now let's see how to create a relationship manually. So inside the model view on the home tab, you have an option as select manage relationship. Once you click on that, you get an option as new. After creating the relationship, dialog box appear where it selects both the tables in each drop down and chooses the product column from both the tables. We can see the private table and the order table, and it lists all the details, and we have the relationship with the common column product where it gets created. And you have here the cardinal. So here in the cardinal, where it gives an option as one to many, as we have the relationships one to many to one, and many to many. So here the cardinality where the relationship is built within one to many. Then click on OK, where we can create the relationship manually. Next, how do you delete the relationship in Power BI? So under model view, once you right click on the relationship, you have an option for the delete as well as to edit. So click on delete. Once you delete through manage relationship dialog box, the relationship gets deleted. So these are the option where you can create a relationship, manage it, edit it, or delete it. So thank you all. So let me connect with you all with the other session with the other topic in the another session. Thank you all.